vlogging, baby.
Whatever.
We're getting in, boys. Welcome back. Welcome back. My man right here, real drive. Nice enough to let me sit in his driver's seat. Even though he knows personally that I'm gassy. I'm very gassy. Oh, let's get in with Johnny. I think it's as tall as I am. Feels like the seat's forward.
Yeah, it's a little bit forward. You have 3 or 4 inches behind you.
Buddy, this is actually overly impressive.
It really is.
They changed it.
First time I'm sitting in one. I've only seen from the outside.
Mm-hmm.
So, oh God, I'm getting your car wet, man. I gotta close this door.
Close the door and start it up. Crank her up.
What do you think? We're starting her. Nice.
Got all your dashes. You see everything's like very focused towards you.
Yeah, everything's focused on me.
Mm-hmm.
Even though it's his car.
It's got, exactly. You got a wall right here, like the passenger just in his own little
this
world.
Is nice, buddy. I think I might be able to do this, boys and girls. What are you thinking?
Absolutely. Dude, look at this. 1080p rear view camera. And not only that, but you can zoom in, you can zoom out.
That's what you were playing with in the video.
Yep, you go up.
I was like, how is he moving that?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's so sick.
That's way better than having the mirror.
And dude, what's really crazy is when you're racing someone, it's so wide that you can see the person in the other lane as you're beating them.
Whoa.
But it doesn't
beating them. I love this guy already.
It doesn't record it though, which I wish it recorded. Like the Tesla records it.
I wonder if there's some way somebody's gonna figure that out.
They have to. If they do, that would be great.
I mean, they're doing it on Tesla.
Yeah, I mean, why not, right?
Only makes sense.
So this is a very like kind of like iPad-ish. If you went for like a C6 to C7, like this was very like old technology. Now it's very smooth. Everything's so easy going.
So kind of like how they did through the BMW years, the iDrive system. You know, like it just got better and better.
Better and better every year.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
so this is all touch. There's no control like how I have. Obviously, this is the track modes, right? When you switch.
So BMW, you have that thing to control this.
So what is this?
Yeah. Go ahead.
What do you turn it?
Yep. Just turn it left and right.
Left.
Yeah. Tour. So that's my mode. And then you got weather. Go the other way.
Oh, the other way. Let's go. Let's go back, guys. We're messing this up. Touring, sport.
And then
look at that! It changed the.
Listen to your exhaust note when you go in track mode. Oh, it didn't change. That's awkward.
I think it thought it changes in sport.
It's supposed to be a little deeper in track. Go ahead and give it a little bit.
Oh wow! You can hear it in the car. It's right here.
Look behind you, dude.
Guys, check this out. Look at this.
You literally have a view of the motor.
This is so sick.
It's insane.
Bro, at this pricing point, to have this, it makes no sense at all.
At a base, at a $59,000 car.
Guys, look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face. You see this? I didn't even have this in the Gallardo. I don't know. This is just makes it. I'm amazed.
Yeah.
Look at this in the back.
Does it move? Does it move?
It does move, man.
Go, do it again. Oh, it does the little. Oh my God, so cool, right? Then you got your heads-up display right in front of you.
Show off.
Okay, G8.
Show off. He's got straight pipes. Wait till he gets an exhaust on this.
There you go. I'm looking at a couple different ones now.
So the display, what do you change everything on? Is this all?
So this is track
control
mode.
Through here.
Yeah, so that does that. So this changes your display. So right now your track, and then it goes into sport, it goes to red.
Right.
And then touring, it goes to blue with all different gauges. But you can customize all of that. And you can change your display design. You can change different tiles, what you want.
Oh yeah, see info tile selection.
Yeah, there's so many in there.
Oh yeah, there's like a lot of
batteries
options.
You can do. There's so many ways. I haven't even gone into it.
Where's the you can do? I always see you recording something.
PDR. So you go to home here, go over to PDR. So you can start. This looks really cool compared to like the C7, C6.
This looks
so good. And then you got your video overlays. You can pick which overlay you want. It describes each one. The one I use at the track is timing. You can preview it, and what it gives you is your time: 0 to 60, 0 to 100, quarter mile, 0 to 100, back down to 0.
So this is when you were on the drag strip. This is what you had on.
That's what I had it on.
How are you getting it? How are you feeding it to the? How are you getting the video? Where's it saved?
The SD card is right here in the glove box. It's right down here. You pop your SD card in there. It records everything through this camera right up here.
Oh, okay, the one that's on the dash.
Yep.
Okay.
And then if you use the windshield wipers, it should clean all that off, so it makes it nice and clear. It's 1080p, dude. Like it's so
this is ridiculous.
Freaking good. And then if you don't want sport, if you don't want to show your times, you're worried about getting arrested or whatever, put it on none. And then it's just a completely wide screen.
Yeah.
And then if you want to, show a little bit but not too much, video overlay, go to track. This doesn't have all the times in the top, but it shows you your
Oh yeah, telemetry and then your G's.
your gas pedal, brake pedal, everything.
Yeah,
So you
yeah.
use for the track.
Yeah.
And then if you're just tooling around on the street, go to sport, preview that. Then you just got a little less information.
Yeah,
more
it's just
gears,
G's,
stuff like
RPM,
that. Yeah. But
miles per hour.
but it's so clear. It's so good, especially on the track.
This is really, really nice. What? This is 3LT or 2LT?
This is 2LT. So
Yeah.
the difference with that is you get the better leather with the 3LT. You get Alcantara all through this.
Oh, so this would be like Alcantara instead of the anthracite.
It's like a premium feel. But
So it gets different leather on the doors too or something? Or is this all the same?
I don't know about the doors to tell you 100%. I know this all gets changed right here.
Is the Bose standard or something?
So you get a 10 speaker Bose in the 1LT. The 2LT you get the Performance Series. You have to hear this. I know you can't monetize
All right,
it or whatever.
we're gonna cut, guys, because we're gonna jam.
Jam.
We're
Here
gonna
we
jam.
go.
Okay. I'm not talking strawberry. I'm talking like maybe I don't know what he listens to, but hopefully.
What's your favorite song? Up here you have like kind of like fighter pilot stuff. You got your emergency. This is a
you
motion.
gotta program this, buddy. You gotta click it.
Yeah, I haven't even programmed it.
Rookie.
I'm so busy driving. But this is motion sensor. So if you decide to lock up the car and you leave your dog in the car or something like that, you click that off. So motion sensor. Or you're at a car show and people are reaching in their hands and you can just turn that off.
Right.
So that's pretty cool. A lot of technology. The DCT is insane. Dude, if it wasn't raining, I would say let's go rip it.
Yeah, but
because you can't even get on it right now.
No, it's just pointless.
But we'll get together in Tampa and he'll let you rip it, dude. It's amazing.
Yeah, we definitely gotta meet up.
It's so sick.
Guys, this is
the really cool part right here.
buddy.
You got your park, reverse, neutral. Some are pull, some are push. Yeah, I just did that one with the.
Oh, it didn't. Let's light it up. Can we light it up? And not my phone. Oh, it didn't hit it. There it is.
Hey, that's a sign right there.
Glare. Rear wheel drive. I got his video pop right up.
Notification initiate. It's meant to be.
Meant to be, boys. What do you think, guys? Whoop. Let me make sure I'm not zoomed in. What do you think, guys? A man hooked me up.
100%.
Give me a little tour.
Tell him to get one. Tell him to get one.
We might have to get one of these guys. Some of you might clown me, but I don't care. It doesn't matter.
So. I don't.
You're still gonna hit that subscribe button.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Did I close it? Oh, no.
New seals on it, so you gotta slam it.
Yeah, I see that.
There you go.
Dude, look at this. Dude, this thing is huge back here.
Yeah, you actually get a
Holy cow.
back here. So the top fits in there, and then
Oh, so the top just slides in these little things right
exactly.
here.
So you,
But you can't use this when the top is in. It's full. Okay.
You could probably fit some stuff in here.
Something small.
Yeah, but when you do have the top, then you got the trunk in there.
Bro, could you imagine if they let you open that glass?
That would be so. The sound would be incredible. I couldn't even
The
imagine.
noises it would make, bro.
Just so if you could lower it down like a truck, how they have the back window lowers down and goes back up.
This is probably like, I'd say, a tad bit bigger than Huracan,
Is it?
but just a little bit smaller. McLaren is like
Big.
takes the cake with this one.
Really?
But you only have the front.
Yeah.
But having both in this one, like blows me away that you have that much space.
Yeah, it's they give you quite.
Did you add this lip?
No, so that's Z51. So Z51, you get the lip,
Oh, Z51.
and then you get a Z51 spoiler, the one I changed.
So I've seen there's one that he has. He has the side.
Side skirts.
Yeah.
Yep. So
Looks
you have
really
those
good.
two.
Are you getting that?
Yeah, I want to.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find one that I really, really like.
Yeah.
So just kind of waiting on that. I'll do like the side skirts and splitter. So I did the spoiler the other day.
I mean, I like the presence of this car, man.
The presence is insane, man. Like, everything closed, like, and the wings.
Did you get the recall done for the hood?
Yep.
Okay.
It's all done. It's an update. So it's an update at home. Like you
That's
literally
soft
connect
close,
your
isn't it?
Yep. It's soft close.
That's just like the C7, huh?
Yep. They have soft close as well.
So when are you doing an exhaust?
ASAP. As soon as I can find one. As soon as I can start making some money, because right now I'm just pouring money into it. I need to make a little bit. So.
Yeah. Are you at 1,000 yet? You should be.
Yeah. 1.07 now.
Yeah.
It's starting to grow.
My man's monetized now.
Yeah. Oh, slowly. Not yet.
It'll hit.
1 to 30 days.
It'll hit.
How long
It'll
did it
just.
take for you?
It was like, I think 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Yeah, about 3 weeks. You'll get an email.
Yeah.
And then it'll start. Yeah.
And then once it hit, did it start did you just start pushing it out there or what?
Well, no, it just, you'll just start growing. It's obviously not a lot of money.
Yeah.
So that takes like
Takes time.
100,000 subs before you really make big bucks. So.
Naturally.
But with this car, you're probably gonna get there.
I hope so, man.
Because you've grown like leaps and bounds, bro. I've seen your channel like grow. I'm like, this guy, that's the good car for it.
Really?
You're good. This is the right one. All right, boys and girls, we're back in my car and we're about to start her up. You guys wish me luck. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we don't smoke and we're not towing this thing. Good luck. Cross your fingers. idle's bad. The idle's really bad. It's on cold start. And it's shaky. Shaking right now, guys. I don't have an engine light. Shaky. Guys, you hear that idle? No bueno. Sounds bad. So we're about to take it home and see what happens. My buddy's gonna follow me. He's gonna follow me home to see if I can make it. This thing is idling like crap right now, so I guess the day is gonna be a little different. So we'll see how it goes from here, guys. Wish me luck. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button, and hopefully this video doesn't turn out as bad as I think. So appreciate you guys. All right, boys and girls. So the car's driving. I need fuel, but of course, as you've seen in a previous, I'm gonna go back to 93. So I'm gonna have to change this tune. I don't want to do 85. I need to turn the boost down. We're gonna see if something happens if I change something in this car. I don't know. But I am getting the symptoms of like how I got when my intercooler failed. I'm hoping that's all it is. I got no engine light. All I got is that I need fuel over there. That's what that warning light is. So 34 miles to empty. But I got no lights, no engine light, no, thankfully no drivetrain malfunction. So I'm not getting any of that. So, which is the same thing I got when I had intercooler fail. Ooh, I can see this car driving up real fast. Look at this guy. Watch this, guys. Watch this guy. Oh, there he goes. And his car is damaged on the side. Go figure, right? Driving like an idiot. Damaged car. They got no sense. In the rain, no less. In the rain. Probably has horrible tires on too. But anyways, but the car is it's driving okay. It does have a bit of a sputter at lower speeds, but cruising at highway speed here, which as you see I'm only doing 74 miles an hour, so I'm in efficient mode too. I hope you guys see that. I don't think I've ever driven this car in efficient mode for this long of a time. So hopefully she holds up and she does good. But I will keep you guys posted. Follow me on Instagram as well, Exhaust Note Channel on Instagram. I'll probably post up some stuff there just to keep you guys posted up what's happening with the car. And hopefully we can find out sometime soon the results of what's happening. Let's hope it's just the intercooler, because it's not overly expensive to replace that, and I'll have to do it myself. I for sure won't be able to go into the dealership and get it done again. It's too soon, and we'll get the warranty flagged for sure. So that will be no bueno. So anyways, hang in with me, guys. I appreciate you. And stay tuned. See what happens. Dang, bro. Look at this dude. That other guy tried to help him or something. Dang, bro. Wow. Look at that thing, bro. Yowzers. That sucks for that guy.